In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export your contact list on a Wix website. We're going to walk through the full process inside your Wix dashboard so you can quickly bring in new contacts or download your existing list in the format you need. This is especially useful if you're moving contacts from another platform, backing up your data, or organizing different groups for email marketing and customer management. To get started, head over to the top right area of your Wix dashboard. From there, use the search option and type in Contact. When the search results appear, click on Contact List. This will take you directly to the section where all of your saved contacts are managed. Once you're inside the contact list area, look for the Import and Export button and click on it. This is where Wix gives you both options in one place, making it easy to decide whether you want to add contacts into your account or download contacts from it. If you choose Import, Wix will show you the available import methods. You can import your contacts using a CSV file, which is a very common spreadsheet format and usually the easiest option if you already have a saved contact list from another service. You'll also see the option to import from a Gmail account, which can be helpful if your contacts are already stored there and you want to bring them into Wix without manually rebuilding your list. Before importing, it's always a good idea to make sure your contact information is clean and properly organized, so everything transfers smoothly. If you choose Export instead, Wix will let you decide exactly which contacts you want to export. For example, you can select specific contact groups rather than exporting your entire list. This is helpful if you only need a certain audience segment for a campaign, a report, a support, or a backup. After selecting the contacts or groups you want, you can choose the file format for the export. Wix gives you options such as a regular CSV file, a Google CSV file, or an Outlook CSV file. The best choice depends on where you plan to use the exported contacts next. If you're not sure, a regular CSV is usually a safe and flexible option for most situations. Once everything is selected, go ahead and click Export. Wix will then generate the file for you. And that's it. That's how to import and export your contact list on a Wix website. If you follow these steps carefully, managing your contacts becomes much faster and a lot more organized.